Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to redeem gift card on Doordash, guys. It's actually really easy and simple. The first things first, guys. You want to either sign in or sign up to your Doordash, okay? You cannot redeem a gift card before you actually sign up. So if you're on your PC, go to DoorDash.com. If you're in the apps, click on the app. Okay? And then after you log in, okay, on the top left-hand side of the corner, you will want to click on these three lines, okay? And then once you click on those, you're going to see these different options. There's going to be a drop-down menu coming up. You want to click on gift card. Literally that easy, guys, okay? Once you click on gift card, you're going to see this option. You either buy the gift card here directly, or if you have a gift card you already bought from some other website or maybe from a physical store, just put in your code, okay? Put in your code and just click redeem gift card, guys. Then you've successfully basically redeemed your gift card, guys. If it doesn't work, then just reload your account. Usually the funds will be added to your account, so you can reload or relog back into your account, and then you should be added, guys. So it's actually that easy and simple. So this video helps, make sure you like, comment, and if you want, you can subscribe.